Hi, this is Sean Matthew from seanmatthewk.pixar.com/mainframehard-1. In our previous video, we discussed about HTML elements and attributes. In this video, we will also learn some more HTML elements and attributes and uses of such things. HTML elements. HTML empty. We will learn about some HTML empty elements and attributes used in them. We will also learn about block level elements and inline elements in HTML. We use the BR tag, meaning line break, for including a line break, and HR tag for including a horizontal break, and image img tag for inserting an image. These all tags are empty elements. These are some attributes used in them. If you want to insert an image, then insert image tag, then add source attribute, and then write the path to the image. And BR tag and HR tag can have attribute class. It's because it is mostly used. So let's start Visual Studio for executing code in it. So let's take the web application that we were working in. It will take some time. So in our last video, we included an anchor element in it. So we are studying about image tag, BR tag, and horizontal break tag. So let's include some paragraph. I have copied some paragraph of lorem ipsum dollar. So let's include a paragraph element, and I have some text to paste in it. You can look that all the text in it is straight. So let's do it. Paragraph, each full stop, we will expand it. So now let's save our application and then run it on the browser. The browser has executed our code and it is coming, and it is active now. You can look that we have written, have many breaks between this, but it is not shown in the browser. So in this condition, if you want a line break at this point, this is the last part of the first line in our code. If you want a break here, then you can use the BR tag. So let's include the BR tag and let's save it, and then again refresh it, and you can look that here's a break, and that is why we use the BR tag. So let's copy this BR tag and paste it here, and at the last part of the all sentences. let's save it and refresh the browser, and you can see that it's just like this. So we can use the BR tag to include a line break. So let's include an horizontal break. If you want to split this into two, then you can use another paragraph element, and let's cut it and let's paste it here. So now we have two things, and so now let's save this. Let's reload our web page. You can look that there's a bit space, and the paragraph element started at the new line, and that element is called block level element, which starts on a new line, such as paragraph element, article element, and many more elements. If you want the full reference, I will give you the link in the description. So let's include an horizontal break. Horizontal break is a type of line that is nice to look. So let's reload our page, and you can see that here's a horizontal break. So let's insert an image in it. So I am going to take an image and paste it on the project root. I have already copied an image and I am going to paste it. So I have copied an image, so let's right click on it and paste it here. If you hover to here, then you can see the image. So if you are using Visual Studio, then you can drag and drop the image somewhere. You can look that here came the link, or you can directly do that if you are using Notepad or any other editor, like this. Then give the source attribute, and then download one.png, the name of the file, and now just save it and let's execute the code. So you can see that the image has come here. So the source attribute is used for in image. The source attribute is used for showing the root of or the path of an image, and it is an inline element. An inline element is a type of element that includes letters or sentences at the same line. So let's type something with which tag can be right? Yeah, span. Span is a paragraph-like element, but it can be also used for using icons and many more uses. So I am going to write some code and going to execute it in browser. So you can see that they are inline. That means they all will be covered. So thank you for watching.